Okay, I was looking in this spelling book and I was doing this last word here and I thought, oh, that's mischievous. And if you look at the pronunciation that's listed here, it does pronounce it like mischievous. You see the line over the E? That's, but there's nothing behind the V that would lead us to make that sound. And so I started thinking, has this been Mandela affected? And so I looked it up. Okay, so after I looked it up, here's what I found. This seems to be a very good site to find out what's been Mandela affected and what hasn't. Because, well, I'm just going to read it because it is very interesting. Mischievous is the standard spelling of the adjective meaning causing mischief. Mischievious is a misspelling, but it's so common that it may someday gain acceptance. And then if we keep on going down here, this misspelling is not new. And it lists instances of it with the I in there going back to the 17th century. And a Google book search reveals a few thousand instances from before 1920. So this is a Mandela effect. There used to be an I after the V. And there were two different words. There was mischievious and there was mischievous. Maybe. I'm not sure on that part. But I know that there had to have been an I after the V for us to pronounce it that way, mischievous. And that's the way we pronounce it. So, I don't know. I guess you can look at this later on your own if you really want to. But it's a Mandela effect.